What up? Welcome back to some more freelance work. We are working on Twitch channel art for Lumpy Juice. I'll leave a link to his Twitch channel in the description if you want to go check him out. Today, we're gonna work on the panels for his channel, like the About Me, like donate, follow, shit like that. So we're gonna get those done today. There's about 5 of them. And if we have time, we will convert the Lumpy Juice character logo into vectors on Illustrator. So we'll see if we have enough time for that. But for now, the goal is to get the panels done. So let's fucking do it. Alright, we got the panels finished. I have 2 different options here. They're both based around his character, the Lumpy Juice character, which you can see right here. So yeah, here's like his mascot. So yeah, just going green, Lumpy, you know. We got about, donate, follow, schedule, and subscribe. And I picked a typeface based off of one he had already been using on his channel. It's playful, it's big and blocky, and a bit lumpy. It just matches his character well, I think. Sticking with the green and purple color scheme, and we just got these 2 options here. The ones on the right are just your more simple square shaped ones, and then on the left, you can see the outside edge of like the lumps or the bubbles. So we'll send these to him and see which one he wants to go with. And I think now we got enough time to try to vectorize this character. So I'm not very used to drawing in Illustrator, so let's see how it works out. Okay, we finally got the logo done and vectorized. I'm pretty happy with it, considering the fact this is the first time I've brought one of my illustrations into Illustrator, and I'm doing that because Lumpy Juice wants a GIF animation for when like he gets a follower or a subscriber, and it's got to be really small of this character. So I turned it into vectors so it'd be easy to resize, and maybe we can use this for some of the emotes that he wants. We can probably use this for some of those too. So yeah, I got it all drawn up and I have it rigged to animate. So I painstakingly, you can see the layers here, I drew each lump separate. So like I'm thinking like when the animation would be like him jumping, so then all the lumps will kind of move with gravity. So that's what I did there. And like all his legs are separate. I gotta merge all these layers real quick. And then we got some bubbles here that are gonna be like rising off of him, like he's stinky or something. I don't know. Yeah, it was pretty interesting working this way, being the first time I've done it. Yeah, I mean, so yeah, each movable part is a separate layer. I got like these little different cape versions for when he jumps, so the cape can move. What else? The only thing I'm not really happy with is how the lines are rounded at the end. I would like them to kind of taper off. And again, that's just something I'm not used to with this brush tool in Illustrator. But yeah, I'm really excited at how it turned out. So we're gonna send this over to him, and then the next episode we'll get into the animation and maybe do the emotes. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.